Hello, thank you for watching Montessori lesson channel. In this video, I will be introducing the Vertebrates and Invertebrates lesson. This video is made for those that would like to homeschool their children and for those that are new to Montessori. This activity can be done using miniature animals or printouts of animal pictures. I will be introducing where to buy the picture cards at the end of the lesson video. Please subscribe to my channel, press the like button and bell icon to be notified when a new video comes up. The purpose of this activity is to teach the child further about animals. The instructions for the activity are: talk about the nature of the animal kingdom and explain that it includes all animals. When explaining about the animals kingdom, tell the child that the scientists describe how animals are the same as each other and how they are different from each other. Tell the child that when the scientists look at the whole world of animals, they see especially one important difference, that some animals have backbones and some do not. Let the child know that animals with backbones are called vertebrates, and animals that does not have backbones are called invertebrates. Explain that backbones are a row of bones running down the back of the animals, same as the human backbones. Show the child where their backbones are and have them feel the backbones that runs down each other's spine. Let the child know that the little bumps are separate bones called vertebrae. Explain that the backbones are support for the skull, ribs, and hips. Let the child know that when all bones are together, it is called a skeleton. Let the child know that nerves from all over the body run into the backbone and up into the brain in the skull. Also explain that the bundle of nerves in the backbones is called a spinal cord and the backbones protects. Show the child worms or other invertebrates in a jar of soil. Let the child hold the worm in their hand and gently feel it with their primary fingers of their dominant hand. Ask the child what they feel with their fingers and they may say the worms are squishy. Let the child place the worms back in the jar and wash their hands. Explain that worms do not have a skeleton or backbone. Tell the child that if the invertebrate is an insect or other animal with an external skeleton, and that means that the skeleton is on the outside part of the body and soft on the inside without any bones. Say that invertebrates have many of the same things as a vertebrate, such as a nerve cord, heart, stomach, and brain, except for a skeleton. Tell the child that every 100 type of animals in the world, only about 5 have backbones and the rest do not. Have the child continue working with the vertebrate and invertebrate activity and have them return the material back when they are finished working with it. The picture cards can be bought at Montessori Dollar Shop. Please see the link in the description part. This ends my video for today. Thank you for watching.